Hi everyone. Hello, my honorable lecturer, and also hi Gitari. So here today in this video, I would like to give my feedback for Gitari's work. So before I continued my review, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Igusewe Kasusanti Dewi. I'm from 6B class. So here I already present you uh, about guitarist work. It is, as you can see, it is about the implementation of literature-based instruction of Gandhi Memorial Independent Schools as international primary schools in Bali. So basically overall, so far this draft proposal is already good, and the research plan of your later study actually in the progress. Yeah, in there are still some of the part that have to continue later on. But here I would like to give a comment to the some part or point of your draft proposal that have you made. Yeah, okay, for the first one. Okay, for the first one about the title. Okay, here I would like to give you a reminder actually about the use of orthography, especially for the capitalization. So here in the primary schools, the letter uh, P and S should be in the capital size, yeah, uh, because it is considered as the title of your proposal. So uh, it is uh, it is better if you pay attention to the orthography. And then for the second one, it is about yeah, here you have written English Education Department, so it should be English Language Education Department, uh, as what we know ELE. So yeah, maybe later on you can add the word language, but it is not a big problem. You can edit it later on. And for the third one, so far you have made the supervisor approval, and then table of contents, no problems here, I think. Okay, for the chapter one, okay, for the research background. Here, as you can see, you write that there are two kind of basic and blah blah blah. So it should be kinds because it is plural. Yeah, I think this is just about the grammatical patterns. Just pay attention to that because this will be your proposal later on. And for the next, it is about your statement here. Lot of public primary schools in Indonesia did not take this course to be learned by their students. Okay, I think you can provide evidence to strengthen your statement here. For example, evidence or a data from Ministry of Education in Indonesia, or from somewhere that can be strengthen your statement here. And then next, it is about again about a simple thing, I think, but it is important also to be consider and pay attention to the use of capitalizations and have to be consistent, I think, to use the orthography. And then for the next, yeah, this is about your research questions. So the first one, your research questions is how the implementation of literature-based instructions of Gandhi Memorial Independent Schools as international primary schools in Bali. And the second one, what kind of considerations that Gandhi Memorial Independent Schools in deciding using literature-based instruction for English learning. So I think here the second questions will be better if it will be better if the second question being the first question, as what I suggest here, because yeah, as we know, when we want to know about how people implement something in their learning process in their school, behind that implementations, so there always be uh, um, so the schools uh, will be decide first or consider about their decide of using the literature-based instruction first, and then they will plan the implementation of literature-based instruction. So actually here just you have to switch the questions, the structure of the question. So the second questions have to be the first, I think, and the first will be the second. So basically there is the decide first, and then it followed by the you know the practical of the decide itself. Yeah, so I think so far so good in this. Okay, here, okay, yeah, here you said that there are things that need to be considered are the media, class management, the process, and blah blah blah. For the limitations, I think you have to be more specific in what kind of media that you mean, what kind of class management that you mean, and what process that you want to emphasize here. For example, for the media will be make I think if you write the specific media that you meant, it will be easier for your for other researchers to read or to catch your meant here. So whether it is a media that used for teacher or the schools or something, maybe you can provide the specific informations here about the media, and also the class management. What class management meant here is about maybe the schools or the Ministry of Education or something. Yeah, you can put the specific information here, and same as the process also. Okay, for the chapter 2, you have made literature review about the theoretical review, and you don't make the definition nature and the others point yet, but it is okay. Yeah, I think so far your proposal, yeah, I think that's some point of my considerations, my review for you, Gitari. Maybe it is not too long or too much, but I hope this is my suggest can help your works better. Yeah, maybe you can continue your proposal, and I hope you can uh, make your proposal better. And in, yeah, I think enough. Thank you so much, Gitari. Okay, that's all. Thank you.